Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about Facebook on the daily chart. Now, what's important about this chart is that it had this big run into earnings, making new all-time highs, and then on earnings, it gapped lower. Now, most stocks in this market environment, which a market environment right now is straight up, straight up, straight up, most stocks will rebound back higher and try to backfill that gap that was created on the miss on earnings. However, Facebook has just gone sideways, creating a bear flag pattern. This is important because, again, as I said, if you look at the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, they're all vertical. But notice how Facebook has not been able to get any sort of bid. What does this tell us? This tells us that at some point when the market inevitably has a small pullback, and I'm just talking small even, Facebook is going to head lower and head lower quickly. So right now, folks, in my opinion, based on the chart pattern, based on the relative weakness of Facebook, comparing it to the market, you are looking for a downside to come in, probably, I would say, next week, within the next week or so, and the target is very clear. This little pivot low to the 200 moving average. So I would be looking for a move down anywhere between $69 and $70 on Facebook in the next week to week and a half. Okay, and again, most likely occurring after Thanksgiving, after this coming weekend. Obviously, with the light volume, it makes it somewhat most likely not going to happen into that weekend. But most likely after that weekend, you will see Facebook head lower. You can see how weak it's been. The bearish pattern of consolidation, the two moving averages above current price, putting pressure on it. And again, most likely Facebook will be heading down to the 200 moving average between $69 and $70 in the next week, week and a half. All right, folks. So again, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I'm looking to put out a trade on this, just waiting for the final signal. If you get inside the research center, if you take the 7-day free trial, that's where you will get the alert of me when I take this trade. And again, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.